Hello children, welcome to class 6. This is social science class, part 2, geography, lesson 2, land and oceans. What is the name of the lesson children? Land and oceans. Already we learned about land in the previous class. Let us recapitulate what we have learned in the previous class. In the previous class, we learned about the first order landforms. First order landforms as continents and oceans. Next, we have second order landforms, mountains, plateaus, plains. In the third order landforms, valleys, beaches, sand dunes are there. Okay, children? This is the classification of landforms. Next, today's topic learning objectives. Today we are going to see about areas of oceans in our earth. Then we are going to learn about boundaries, state, seas, islands, trench of the 5 oceans. Next we are going to see about the meanings of islands, bay, state, trench and peninsula. Lastly we are going to learn about the features of 7 continents. Okay children? Let's first start the class with meanings. What is the meaning of the word island? A land surrounded by water on all sides. All the 4 sides covered by water. Okay. Next, bay. A broad inlet of the sea where the land curves inwards. That is a broad narrow area of water of the sea where the land curves inwards. Okay. Next, state. What is state? A narrow stretch of water linking two large water bodies. A narrow stretch of water linking two large water bodies. Okay children. Next, trench. The deepest part of the ocean. What is the meaning of the word trench? The deepest part of the ocean. Next we have peninsula. Peninsula means the land surrounded by water on 3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides. The land surrounded by water on 3 sides. Example, India is a peninsula. Let's start the class now. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the 5 oceans. Look at this picture children. This is earth. This is earth. Why the earth looks blue? It is because of the 2/3 of its water. The earth is covered by 2/3 of water. Okay, 2/3 of the earth area is covered by water. The water found in oceans and seas. Next, ocean. This is ocean. What is ocean children? Oceans are vast expanse of water. What are called oceans? Oceans are vast expanse of water. Next we have seas. Seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. What are called seas? Seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. It is located near to the land. See, land is shown in the picture. So, there are 5 oceans are there. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans in the earth. What are the 5 oceans? First one is Pacific Ocean. That is biggest ocean. Next largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Second largest. Third one is Indian Ocean, which is named after India. Next one is Southern Ocean, fourth largest. Fifth largest one is Arctic Ocean, that is very small. Okay children, these are the 5 oceans in the world. Next we are going to see about the areas of oceans. That is, we are going to learn oceans in percentage. Okay, see first one, Pacific Ocean. Okay, first largest is Pacific, which covers 47% of the total surface. Next one is Atlantic, which covers 23%. Next one is Indian Ocean, which covers 20% of the Earth surface. Next one is Southern Ocean, which covers 6%. Last one is Arctic Ocean, which covers 4%. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about the Pacific Ocean, which is the largest and the deepest ocean on the earth. Which is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth? Pacific. It covers about 1/3 of the earth total area and spreads for about 168.72 million square kilometer. It is bounded by Asia and Australia in the west and North America and South America in the east. It stretches from Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. Okay, now we are going to learn about the marginal seas and state and trench in the Pacific Ocean. First, Pacific Ocean. What is the shape of the Pacific Ocean? The Pacific Ocean is triangular in shape. Okay, with its apex in the north at the Bering Strait, which connects the Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean. So, Bering Strait. This is Bering Strait, which connects the Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean. See the picture, clearly understood. Okay, children. So, which state connects Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean? Bering Strait. See the picture. Next, we have the seas which surrounds the Pacific Ocean. The Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, the Tasman Sea and Philippine Sea are the some of the marginal seas of the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Next we are going to see about the islands. Already I told no. What is island? The land surrounded by water on all four sides. See the picture. All the sides are surrounded by water, right? What are the islands surrounded in the Pacific Ocean? Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Hawaii, New Zealand. These are the islands located in the Pacific Ocean. Next we are going to see about the trench. What is called trench, children? Trench means the deepest part of the ocean. Okay. So, in the Pacific Ocean, the deepest point is Mariana Trench. Which is the deepest point in the Pacific Ocean? Mariana Trench. Okay. It is 10,994 meter power minus. Okay. Meter power minus. Clear children? So, we learn about the marginal seas, we learn about the trench and strait, everything. Now, we are going to see about the we are going to learn about the volcanoes. A chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is located to the east side and the west side of our earth. Okay. So, this is the east side and west side. See, to the east side, Pacific Ring of Fire is there, and to the west side also Pacific Ring of Fire is there. That is towards Asia and Australia, and to the left hand side, right hand side, North America and South America. So, a chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean, which is called as Pacific Ring of Fire. What is called as Pacific Ring of Fire? Chain of volcanoes which is around the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Next we have, do you know? What is this, children? This is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak. Which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest. If Mount Everest is placed into the Mariana Trench, which is the deepest part of the ocean, if you place the Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meters tall, okay, if you place this Mount Everest in the Mariana Trench, still there would be 2146 meters of water left. Okay, how much water left? 2146 meters. See children, how deep it is. So, the depth in meters from the mean sea level is denoted as m to the power minus, m power minus. So, how the depth is measured? M power minus. Clear? Next, do you know? This is Ferdinand Magellan. Who is Ferdinand Magellan? He is a sea route traveler. He traveled around the earth. He took 3000 years to travel around the earth and found that earth is round. He is the man who traveled around the earth and found that earth is round. How many years? He took 3 years. Okay. So, he is the man who traveled around the earth. The Spanish traveler, the Spanish navigator Ferdinand Magellan named the ocean Pacific. When he reached the place Pacific, the ocean is very quiet and calm. So he gave the name Pacific. Who gave the name Pacific? Ferdinand Magellan. Next, we are going to learn about the Atlantic Ocean, which is the second largest ocean on the earth. It covers 1/6 of the earth's total area and spreads about 85.13 million square kilometer. It is bounded by North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. Like the Pacific Ocean, it stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. Next, we are going to see about the shape. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. So, see the picture. What is the shape of the Atlantic Ocean? S. It shows the letter S. Next, we have state. The state of Gibraltar. This is the state of Gibraltar, which connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. See the picture, you can clearly understood. It connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. Okay children, this is state Gibraltar. Next, the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and western hemisphere. So which ocean is the busiest ocean? Atlantic Ocean, because it connects routes between the eastern and western hemisphere. So busiest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Next, we are going to see about the deepest part of the Atlantic Ocean. The deepest point is the Milwaukee Deep in the Puerto Rico Trench. It has a depth of about 8,600 meter power minus. Next, we are going to see about the seas of the Atlantic Ocean. The Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Sea, the Gulf of Guinea and the Mediterranean Sea are the important marginal seas of the Atlantic Ocean. Next, we are going to learn about the islands of the Atlantic Ocean. Saint Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland and Falkland are some of the islands found in this ocean. So, Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. Which is the second largest ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Next, the Indian Ocean, the third largest ocean on the earth's surface. Which is the third largest ocean? Indian Ocean. It covers an area of about 70.56 million square kilometer. It is named after the country India. Which ocean is named after the country India? Indian Ocean. It is very near to India. It is triangular in shape. What is the shape of the Indian Ocean? Triangle. It is bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north and Australia in the east. Next, we are going to see about the islands of the Indian Ocean. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Mauritius and the Reunion Islands are some of the islands located in the Indian Ocean. Next, we are going to see about the state. Malacca State connects the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. See the picture, the pink color arrow, which shows the connection of the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. That state is called Malacca State. Next, we are going to learn about the marginal seas of the Indian Ocean. The Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf, and the Red Sea are some of the important marginal seas of the Indian Ocean. Next, we have trench. Trench means the deepest part of the ocean. The deepest point in the Indian Ocean is Java Trench, that is 7,725 meter power minus, that is m to the power minus. It is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. Next, we are going to learn about the do you know, that is the channels. See down map given, the red line shows the channels. 6-degree channel separates Indra Point and Indonesia. 8-degree channel separates Maldives and Minicoy Islands. 9-degree channel separates Lakshadweep Islands and Minicoy Islands. 10-degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next, another do you know is given, children, about the state. The state, that is Palk State, connects the Bay of Bengal and Palk Bay. See the picture down. Which state connects the Bay of Bengal and Palk Bay? Palk State. Clear? Next, we have the Southern Ocean, which is the fourth largest ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica and is enclosed by the 60 degree south latitude. It covers an area of 21.96 million square kilometer. It is bordered by the southern part of the Pacific, the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. Next, we are going to see about the seas of Southern Ocean. The Ross Sea, the Weddell Sea and the Davis Sea are some of the marginal seas of this ocean. Next, islands. Farewell Island, Bowman Island and Hertz Island are some of the islands located in this ocean. The water in this ocean is very cold. Why it is very cold? Because much of it is covered by sea ice. Most of the part of the water is covered by sea ice, so it is very cold. Next, we are going to see about the deepest point, that is the deepest part of the Southern Ocean. The deepest point of the Southern Ocean is South Sandwich Trench with a depth of 7,235 meter power minus. Next, we have Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean. Which is the smallest ocean, children? The Arctic Ocean. It covers an area of 15.56 million square kilometer. It lies within the Arctic Circle. It lies in which circle? Arctic Circle. So it remains frozen for most of the year. The Norwegian Sea, the Greenland Sea, the East Siberian Sea and the Barents Sea are some of the marginal seas of this ocean. Next, islands. Greenland, New Siberian Island and Novaya Zemlya Islands are some of the islands located in the Arctic Ocean. The North Pole is situated in the middle of the Arctic. The Eurasian Basin is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean. Which is the deepest point? Eurasian Basin, which has a depth of 5,449 m power minus in depth. Okay, children? Children, now let us learn the features of 7 continents and 5 oceans. First one is Asia. It is the largest continent in size. It ranks first in total population of the world. It is situated in the northern hemisphere. Our country, India, is situated in Asia. Next, second largest one is Africa. It is the second largest continent in size. It ranks second in total population of the world. This continent is situated in both the northern and the southern hemisphere. Next one is North America. It is the third largest continent in size. It ranks fourth in total population of the world. This continent is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. Next largest one is South America. It is the fourth largest continent in size. It ranks fifth in total population of the world. This continent lies almost entirely in the southern hemisphere. Next one is Antarctica. It is the fifth largest continent in size. No permanent residents there. Researchers around 4,000 people stay here. This continent is situated in the South Pole and is entirely covered with snow. It is very cold. Penguins, seals, and other living creatures can live here. Next one is Europe. It is the second smallest continent in size. It ranks third in total population of the world. Next one is Australia. It is the smallest continent in size. It ranks sixth in total population of the world. So, smallest one is Australia, largest one is Asia. Now, let us learn about oceans. First one is Pacific Ocean. First one is Pacific Ocean. The largest and deepest ocean is Pacific. The deepest point, Mariana Trench, is located here, and chain of volcanoes, that is Ring of Fire, also located here. So it is the deepest and the largest ocean in the world, which surrounds in the west and east side. The volcanic mountains surrounding the Pacific Ocean are called Pacific Ring of Fire. Next largest one is Atlantic Ocean. The second largest is Atlantic Ocean. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. It is S in shape. It is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and western hemisphere. Then third largest ocean is Indian Ocean. It is named after the country India. It is triangular in shape. Next, fourth largest ocean is Southern Ocean. Fourth largest ocean is Southern Ocean. It surrounds the continent of Antarctica. It is bounded by southern parts of Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. The deepest point in this ocean is South Sandwich Trench. South Sandwich Trench. Next, smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. It remains frozen for most of the years. Eurasian Basin is the deepest point here. Now, let us read the recap. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. The third largest ocean is Indian Ocean, and it is named after the country India. The smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Asia is the largest continent. Africa is the second largest continent. Next one is Australia is the smallest continent. Thank you, children. Thank you for listening the class.